Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from biology part, question number 147 to 160 in the competitive exam of NTSC, the part of SAT in the year of 2020. 147, question number 147. Hydroponics was demonstrated by a German botanist dash in 1980. Julius von Sachs. So first one is the right option. Julius von Sachs. Question number 148. Assertion recent type. Assertion A. Rhizobium is a soil bacterium that colonizes the roots of leguminous plants to form root noodles. This one is correct. Assertion is correct. Rhizobium என்பது ஒரு மண்ணில் வாழக்கூடிய ஒரு பாக்டீரியம். லெகுமினஸ் பிளான்ட் என்ன பண்ணு சொன்னால் அதோட வேரில் ரூட்டில் வந்து நோடுல்ஸ் உருவாக்கி அதோட லைஃப்பை வந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணுது. ட்ரூ. ரீசன் த இன்க்ரீஸ் த இன்டேக் ஆஃப் பாஸ்பரஸ். திஸ் இஸ் ராங். திஸ் இஸ் அசோசியேட்டட் வித் த நைட்ரஜன். ஸோ தட் அசர்ஷன் இஸ் கரெக்ட் ஆர் இஸ் இன்கரெக்ட். அக்கார்டிங் டு தட் first two option is the right answer. Next question number 149. Which is not a component of steel? Pith, pericycle, vascular tissue. These three are components of steel. Cambium is not a component of steel. So option third one is the right answer. Question number 150. Choose the incorrect statement. First statement, epithelium helps in absorption of nutrients. This is true. Epithelium allows the normal movement. This is not true. This is incorrect statement. Epithelium helps in elimination of waste products. This is true statement. Epithelium secretes chemical substance. This is also true. That is 1, 3, 4. Options are correct statement, but in question they are asking incorrect statement. So incorrect statement is option 2 is the right answer. Question number 151. Find out the true and false statements. A recessive factor is altered by the presence of a dominant factor. This is true. Dominant factor is expressed in both F1 and F2 generations. This is also true. Recessive factor is expressed only in F1 generation of a monohybrid cross. So this is false because here dominant factor should come. So dominant factor is expressed only in F1 generation of a monohybrid cross. So this one false. Gregor Mendel, then D. Gregor Mendel conducted his experiments on bean plant, not a bean plant. திஸ் இஸ் பீ பிளான்ட். பட்டாணி தாவரத்தில், அதாவது பட்டாணி செடியில் தான் அவர் சோதனை தொடங்கினார். அதனால் இதுவும் தப்பு. ஸோ சிடி ஃபால்ஸ், ஏபி ட்ரூ. அக்கார்டிங் டு தட் ஆப்ஷன் தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் அ ரைட் ஆன்சர். ஏ ட்ரூ, பி ட்ரூ, சி ஃபால்ஸ், டி ஃபால்ஸ். கொஷின் நம்பர் 152. விச் இஸ் ஆர் ராங் அபவுட் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் மெரிஸ்டமேட்டிக் டிஷ்யூ? Cells are small. This is true about the properties of meristematic tissue. Vacuoles are absent. This is also true. Intercellular spaces are absent. Should come, but here given present. So this is absent should come. So that this one wrong statement or wrong property. Then cell grow and divide regularly. This one true. So according to the question, the wrong property is C. Intercellular space are present given, but it should come absent. So this is wrong property about the meristematic tissue. So option third one is the right answer. C only wrong property. Question number 153. The cells once dead and that cannot be replaced in lifetime. ஒரு முறை இருந்தால் மீண்டும் சீரமைக்க முடியாத நம் உடல் செல், அதாவது நம்மளோட செல் எதுன்னா ஐலென்ஸ். ஸ்கின் செல், லிவர் செல், ரெட் பிளட் செல்ஸ் சீரமைத்துக் கொள்கிறது. ஆனால் சீரமைக்க முடியாத செல் வந்து ஐலண்ட்ஸ். ஆப்ஷன் ஃபோர்த் ஒன் இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். கொஷின் நம்பர் 154, that is match the following. Carbohydrate we know that which gives energy, that is chief source of energy to our body. So A is fourth one. Provide chief source of energy to the body. Protein is made up of amino acids. Fat is metabolic function. Vitamins is used for biological and physiological function, that is physiological and biological function. According to this, option third one is the right answer. A4, B1, C2, D3. Question number 155, choose the incorrect pair. Robert Koch, father of bacteriology. Father of bacteriology is Louis Pasteur, but Robert Koch here given is one of the founders of bacteriology. This one also incorrect pair, but most incorrect pair is third one. Stanley B. Breuer invented microscope. This is wrong. Ordinary simple microscope invented by Galileo Galilei. Compound microscope invented by father and sons. அதாவது அப்பாவும் மகனும் சேர்ந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சது ஆன்ஸ் சக்ரியாஸ் ஜான்சின், அந்த பேர் வந்திருக்கலாம். இது ஸ்டான்லி பி பிராய்னர். திஸ் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் இன்கரெக்ட் பேர். அதனால் தேர்ட் ஆப்ஷன் வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணுறோம் ஆன்சராக. பட் ராபர்ட் கோச் இஸ் நாட் எ ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் பாக்டீரியாலஜி, founder of bacteriology is related to the bacteriology. So when compare with third option, first one is least incorrect pair, but option C is the most incorrect pair. Robert Koch related to bacteriology. Sir Ronald Ross, founder of malaria. William Beaumont, father of gastric physiology. So for 155th, option third one is the right answer, incorrect pair. Question number 156, find the hard one out. Eosinophils, monocytes, neutrophils. These are related to WBC, white blood cells. But myofibrils, this is related to muscle cell. So the odd one is fourth option, myofibrils. Question number 157, pick the hard one out. Cuticle, botryoidal tissue, dermis. Except the second one, this 1, 3, 4, these are related to the leech. These things presence in the body wall of the leech. But this diverticula in the sense, a small pouch present in the digestive system in the bulged form. So odd one is diverticula. Second one is the odd one. Second one is the answer. Question number 158. Dash promotes the development and enlargement of all tissues of the body. GH. GH is nothing but growth hormone. So growth hormone is the answer. Growth hormone promotes the development and enlargement of all tissues of the body. Here TSH, that means thyroid stimulating hormone. GTH in the sense gonadotropin hormone. ACTH is nothing but adrenocorticotropic hormone. So 158th answer is growth hormone, GH. Question number 159, match the following. Analogous organ, that is bat wing. Vestigial organ, that is caudal vertebra. Atavism, that is thick hair on the human body. Homologous organs present in front leg of a cat. Homologous organs, the front leg of a cat. According to this, option second one is the right answer. A2, B1, C4, D third. Question number 160, that is last one. Assertion and reason type. Red blood cells, RBC, plays an important role in the transport of respiratory gases. We know that respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen to cells, CO2 to lungs. Reason, RBC do not have cell organelles and nucleus. Assertion is correct, but reason also correct because RBC do not have cell organelles and nucleus. But reason does not explain assertion because respiratory gases transported with the help of heme, that is oxygen binds with the heme, that heme from the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is responsible for color of blood, that is red, then also responsible for transport of respiratory gases. So the reason hemoglobin should be mentioned. So it is not there. So reason correct but did not explain A. According to that, option 2 is the right answer. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option 2 is the right answer. Thank you, students.